Hey everyone, welcome to Your Channel Name. Today, I'm diving into the world of metal roofing and uncovering some critical mistakes that could turn your dream roof into a nightmare. Whether you're considering a metal roof or already have one, understanding these common pitfalls is essential for ensuring long-term durability and performance. First off, let's talk about improper installation. Picture this. You've invested in a beautiful metal roof, but a few months in, you notice leaks and structural issues. That's the nightmare scenario no homeowner wants to face. It usually happens because of improper installation. Hiring unqualified professionals or cutting corners can lead to these disasters. Always make sure you hire a certified roofer and follow the manufacturer's installation guidelines to the letter. Next up, neglecting regular inspections. Metal roofs are known for their durability, but that doesn't mean you can just set it and forget it. Routine inspections are crucial. I've seen roofs that were completely compromised because small issues went unnoticed and turned into big problems. Schedule regular checkups, especially after severe weather, to catch any issues early. Now, let's discuss using incorrect materials. This is a big one. Metal roofs require specific types of fasteners, sealants, and coatings. Using incompatible materials for repairs or maintenance can accelerate corrosion and damage your roof. Always consult with a professional to ensure you're using the right materials for your specific type of metal roof. So, what's the takeaway here? Avoiding these critical mistakes, improper installation, neglecting regular inspections, and using incorrect materials, can save you a lot of headaches and money down the road. Thanks for joining me today to learn about these metal roofing horror stories and how to avoid them. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on home improvement and roofing. Stay informed and proactive to protect your investment in your home. Until next time, take care. Don't forget to check out the links to related videos on roofing and home maintenance right here on the screen. Thanks for watching and engaging with the video.